If you've been looking at upping your jollof rice game, then this video is for you. Ha! This recipe, oh my god! You don't want to sleep on this one. This is what you need to serve your guests this festive season. And trust me, this one will leave them wowed and wanting more. Like literally wanting more. So first thing here, we have the vegetables we're going to be using. We're going to prep them and then keep watching as I take it to the step by step to get that smoky. Can you see that smoke? That smoky perfect jollof rice. This jollof rice recipe is all about building flavors and you don't want to skip any process. So make sure you watch keenly to every step and don't skip it. After cleaning my red big peppers and then some chilies, carrots, ginger, and garlic, I'm going to go ahead and chop them into bits such that I can easily fry them. Now, you need to either pan fry it or roast it or air fry it, whichever one, but you need to do that to these vegetables. See, this recipe is all about building flavor, so you don't want to skip any of the steps I'm sharing with you. On the chopping board is the tomatoes, garlic, ginger, the red chili, pepper, the sweet ones, and everything will be going into the air fryer to be air fried. If you're using a pan, just drizzle a little vegetable oil and pour in your vegetable. An air fryer, sprinkle a little oil and also air fry it. Set it to the timer that is convenient for it to fry and not burn. While that is going on, we're going to cook our chicken. I have some of my favorite seasonings here and spices. I'm just going to add it to the chicken. I'll leave some of it for the rice. I'm also going in with some dried pepper and then rosemary, some onions, salt, and chicken bouillon. So I'm just going to stir it and allow it to cook for a few minutes with its own juice. Then I can add some water later. Now the vegetables has been fried, air fried, just perfect. I'm going to let it cool off for a few minutes while I transfer the cooked chicken to the air fryer. This jollof recipe is one that you don't want to skip during this Christmas. See, my husband was like, babe, there's something different about this food. There's something different about this jollof. I say, yeah, it's me. It's yeyilotvffl, you know. My signature jollof had to come to play. So we're starting by sauteing the onions with a little oil. And then I'll go in with the tomato paste. There's no jollof without tomato paste. I mean, authentic jollof rice, you need tomato paste. While that is frying on a low heat, I'm now going to blend the mixed peppers and tomatoes we air fried. While blending this, please do not add water. I repeat, do not add water. Instead, add vegetable oil. Now we're trying to build the flavor for this jollof rice. So adding water will kill the vibe because you need to fry all of this till it's nicely fried like this. And this marinade can be used for grills. Like you can use it for grills. So once it's properly fried, I'm going in with the chicken stock. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add some other seasoning. Add more salt and chicken bouillon. And 1 cube of Maggi seasoning. See how good this blend is looking. This is your base for jollof rice. From this point, you can tell how your jollof will turn out. Now I'm adding my washed basmati rice. Give it a good mix. Gauge the quantity of water you want to add in, but don't put too much because you need it to cook in its own steam by soaking that juicy flavor in the pot. Use foil paper if you have and cook it on very low heat. This my casserole pot traps in a lot of heat, so I prefer to use it for my jollof rice. That's because with medium to low heat, even when I turn the heat off, it's still going to keep boiling and it's going to cook perfectly. At this point, the aroma should have filled everywhere. And then for finishing, we're going in with some butter and onions. Skip the onions if you don't want, but don't skip the butter. It's going to give your food a nice finishing, give it a glossy look, and to prevent it from looking dry. Can you see how yummy this is? I bet it tastes delicious. My husband was like, babe, what did you put in this food today? Like he kept saying it over and over. So yeah, I'm bringing you a yummy jollof rice recipe that you need to make this Christmas and make your family and friends wow. Like give them a very nice treat. We all know that rice is a delicacy for parties, for celebrations. And for Christmas, you want to do it extra, extra special. Don't skip any of these processes I shared with you. Roast your vegetables, add some carrots, and serve. Serve it hot with some coleslaw and that yummy, spicy, tasty, air fried or grilled or deep fried chicken. Serve your guests, serve yourself, and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will bring your way more recipes for the festive season. Till I come your way again. Bye.